In this video, let us discuss how to convert ungrouped data into a frequency distribution table. Okay, so let's start our session. Creating frequency distribution table using ungrouped data. So firstly, let's have an example, some ungrouped data or raw data. Let's consider first. The distance of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. They gave some ungrouped data of 40 engineers. So means 40 observations are given. And if you observe there, they are asking us to construct a grouped frequency distribution table with the class size 5 for the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5. And they mentioned very clearly 5 not included, which means they are asking us to prepare exclusive classes. Exclusive classes, upper limit doesn't comes under that. So 0 to 5 they mention, if any observation is there which is 5, we have to consider in the next class, not in the 0 to 5. Only from 0 to 4.9 we can consider if it is there. So 5 falls in next class. So whenever we are converting this ungrouped data or raw data into frequency distribution table, firstly we need to identify a few things. One is class size, range, number of classes. So firstly, from the data, let us extract the class size. They gave very clearly class size is equal to 5. And we can find range from the data given. Range is equal to highest observation minus least observation. So in the data given, if you see highest observation is 32, whereas the least observation is 2. So we'll find range class size from the data given. So let's start writing that information about class size and range. So class size is equal to 5, range is equal to highest observation minus least observation, that is equal to 32 minus 20, which is 30. Now after writing class size and range, we have to find number of classes. So that depends on the range and class size. So the formula to find the number of classes is equal to range over class size. So here the range is 30, whereas the class size is 5. So the number of classes what we get here is equal to 30 by 5, 6. Suppose if sometimes if you got a number very close to 6, then we will take the number 6. Suppose if you got a number 6.9 or 6.8, then we'll go with 7. So number of classes must be a natural number. So whatever we got here, range by class size, for that value, what is the next natural number that we will take? So here anyways, we got 6, so no issues at all. So firstly, we'll prepare the classes. Classes 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. So there are altogether 6 classes. But here, if you see, we need even 7 classes. 0 to 5, the reason is the number of classes sometimes based on the data, if you see, sometimes we have to take minimum 6 or even more. So there the number of classes formula will give us approximate value, minimum how many we have to take, but not the maximum. So here we need to take 7 classes. Because exactly if you see the 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35 we need, because 32 is also there. Whereas the least is 2. 2 is the least observation and 32 is the highest observation. So we need to take 7. It's not possible with the 6. So we took all the 7 classes. Now we'll prepare the tally marks call. We knew very well tally marks in the sense in that class 0 to 5 class, how many observations are there? We'll count from the ungrouped data and we'll give the tally marks in this. So we'll prepare that for all the classes. So I repeat again, number of classes formula range by classes, whatever is there, that will give the minimum number of classes. Sometimes based on the data given, we need to take even one more. Generally, one more is enough. from the formula or from the value, whatever we get there. Okay, right. Now, classes column is ready, tally marks column is ready. Now let us fill the frequency column, just switching the tally marks into number. That's it. So let us fix it. So 0 to 5 is the frequency 5, 5 to 10 frequency 11, 10 to 11, 10 to 15 frequency is 11 again, and 15 to 20 is 9, whereas 20 to 25 classes frequency is 1, 25 to 30 is also 1, 30 to 35 is equal to 2. So now if you observe, we totally shifted ungrouped data into frequency distribution table. Hope you are very much clear with this. Again, I'm just telling you, I'm reminding you the points what we have to observe here. Firstly, we have to find the class size, then range, and followed by number of classes. Once all these three were ready, we can prepare the frequency distribution table hardly in 2 minutes. Hope you understood this session clearly. Thank you.